Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Aloha and welcome to the exciting world of Tiki Solitaire. In this video, I will explain how to play this engaging card game. Your primary objective is to clear all the cards arranged in 3 peaks on your game board. You'll do this by strategically selecting cards that are either 1 rank higher or 1 rank lower than the card currently in your discard pile. It's a delightful challenge that combines strategy with a relaxing, tropical theme, offering thousands of levels to explore. To master Tiki Solitaire, focus on the core mechanic, matching cards. You'll select cards from the 3 peaks that are exactly 1 rank higher or 1 rank lower than the card showing in your discard pile. For instance, if a 5 is face-up, you can play a 4 or a 6. Unlike traditional solitaire, suits do not matter, making the game faster and more accessible. If you cannot make a match, simply draw a new card from your deck to continue playing. Tiki Solitaire offers several powerful boosters and special cards to help you clear those challenging levels. Wild cards are incredibly versatile. You can play them on any card, regardless of rank, to keep your streak going. Streak boosters are fantastic for maximizing your score, multiplying points for every back-to-back match you make. Additionally, the Fiery Volcano card can clear 5 random cards, while a Hold card allows you to strategically save a card for a later, more opportune moment. Winning in Tiki Solitaire is all about clearing the board. You successfully complete a level by removing every single card from the 3 peaks. Your score increases with various bonuses. A streak bonus is awarded for making several consecutive matches, while a win bonus celebrates clearing the entire tableau. Furthermore, if you finish a level before the timer runs out, you'll receive a generous timer bonus, adding more coins to your total. Keep playing to earn coins and unlock new adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.